Yep.
This finger is loaded.
I'm here on Lamma Island with Nick the Book, famous author, famous man,
Be
knows
a
a
good
lot
man,
about
'cause this
success.
finger will shoot to kill.
He's brilliant.
It's
Thank
been
you
a
so
long
much.
time since we caught up with each other again. Bang.
Thumbs up.
That's okay. It's not locked. It's not
Excellent.
loaded. Yep. Love, peace, happiness, and everything
Happy
like
days.
that. Welcome back to
good.
Lamma.
Success.
Lamma is the safest, sanest, most civilized part of Hong Kong. And the reason is because we're all full of hippies.
Exactly, and no skyscrapers.
Well, aside
you
from
so
the
much.
politician.
Nick gave me 2 books. This is one of them. He was co-author on this.
Action.
Okay, yeah, let's start again. Okay. Glad to see you both over here. I'm honoured that we've caught up again after what feels like a few minutes on Llama time and stuff like that. Anyway, please do close-ups on this QR code I got down here so you can enjoy the film that we shot. It's up on YouTube, but you can also enjoy the music here on Mixcloud. 6 cool sets. You can smoke your own dope to them as well.
It's gonna be good.
Brilliant.
This is the second book he gave me. They are the next books on my reading list for sure.
Thank you, Nick. Sorry my video should have been much better, but I am still learning from my mistakes every day. Now let's take a look at the island you live on. Enjoy a bit of Lamma.
I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart.